8 out of 10 people live paycheck to paycheck. Yes, even those earning over $100,000 a year. That means one missed paycheck could ruin them. One car breakdown, one late payment, one medical bill, and their whole financial stability collapses like dominoes. It's not just poor people, it's everywhere. If you've ever checked your account on payday, felt rich for a few days, then suddenly broke again before month's end, this is for you. Because the truth is, escaping this trap is possible. And today, I'll show you how. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't just about low income. It's about habits, mindset, and planning. Some people double their income and still stay broke. Others earn modest salaries but build real wealth. The difference? They understand and master the Yao cash flow game. Today, you'll learn why most people stay trapped, the hidden leaks draining your money, and a step-by-step plan to break free for good. The hard truth. Here's something you need to understand. Paycheck-to-paycheck living is not just about budgeting badly. It's a financial cycle, fueled by overspending on lifestyle upgrades, lack of savings buffer, a debt dependence, no visibility into where money goes. It creates constant anxiety. You're always one step away from disaster. And the worst part? You start to believe this is normal life. But it's not. And you can choose to live differently. On step 1, get financial clarity. Most people don't know exactly where their money goes, they guess. They think they know, but until you track every single expense, you are flying blind. For the next 30 days, write down every penny that you spend. Yes, every coffee, every snack, every subscription. You'll be shocked. That little $5 coffee habit might be $150 a month. That cheap streaming subscription might be one of 5. Financial clarity is your first weapon. Without it, nothing changes. Step 2. Build a mini emergency fund. One of the biggest paycheck traps? Unexpected expenses. Your car breaks down. You use a credit card. Your fridge stops working. Another credit card charge. And the cycle of debt continues. Break this pattern. Start with a small goal, $500 to $1,000. This is your Life Happens Fund. It won't solve every problem, but it will protect you from immediate debt spiral. Save this in a separate account, out of sight, out of mind. Step 3. Destroy hidden money leaks. Think of your income as a bucket of water. Most people keep filling the bucket while ignoring the holes in the bottom. Your holes might be subscriptions you don't use, bank fees, late payment penalties, impulse purchases. Do a spending audit. Cancel, negotiate, or remove anything that's not essential. Plug those leaks before adding more water. Step 4. Pay yourself first. Most people save what's left after spending. That's why they save nothing. Flip the system. The moment you get paid, set aside a fixed percentage for savings. Even if it's 5%. Automate it so it happens without thinking. Your spending will adjust to what's left. This single shift changes everything. Step 5. Increase your income intentionally. You can't budget your way to freedom forever. At some point, you must earn more. That doesn't mean working yourself to death. It means being strategic. Learn a high-value skill. Start a small side hustle. Negotiate a raise at work. Every extra dollar is a weapon against your paycheck trap. Step 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Here's the trap that kills progress. You earn more, so you spend more. New clothes, better phone, nicer car, and you're back to paycheck living. The trick? Lock your lifestyle while your income grows. Channel the extra into savings, investments, or debt payoff. Step 7. Build a 3-month buffer. Once your mini fund is solid, aim for 3 months of expenses saved. This transforms your stress levels. Suddenly, a missed paycheck isn't a disaster. You have breathing room and freedom to make better decisions. Step 8. Create a long-term plan. The final step is turning freedom into wealth. Budget for savings, investments, and debt elimination. Keep your expenses well below your income and track your progress every month. Breaking free from paycheck-to-paycheck living isn't just about money. It's about peace, control, and confidence. If you're tired of feeling trapped, start with one step today. Even the smallest change creates momentum. And once you feel that control, you'll never want to go back. Like this video if you found value. Share it with someone stuck in the cycle. And remember, freedom starts with one choice.